Alright friends, welcome. We've got a Les Paul, obviously. It's a 60s tribute. And I got an amazing deal on this guitar. I paid 600 Canadian dollars for it. Everybody's asking so much more for these guitars right now. Anyway, it's kind of glossy, but it's got a sort of a thin finish. It's that, you know, red, wine red. Anyway, here's why I got a deal on it. Right there. This, obviously, Gibson, thank you for, in the early 2010s, making guitars that were so loose that they basically fell apart. I touched so many Gibsons from this era that, just every screw and nut was loose on. All the tuners are loose. Usually the output jack was loose, and this is obviously what happened this time to this lady that I bought it from. It just one too many times, and then she just started using it like this. And so look at all the damage she's done there. But anyway, other than that, it's pretty mint. But I am not going to leave it like this. We're going to make this guitar look like $1 million. And for not very much money. So, stand by. Okay. My gosh. I haven't done this in a long time. Let's see if we can still do this. It's been a long time since I recorded a video. Anyway, this guitar plays good. Sounds good. It's got burst buckers in it. But the plan with this one is to do something I've never done, which is make money, which is flip it. It was so cheap that I could have just fixed the output jack and turned around the next day and probably easily sold it for, I don't know, $800. And if I wanted to sit around for a few weeks, I probably could have put it up for $1,000. But I figure, why don't I get a couple of videos out of it and do something fun as a way to get back into doing YouTube videos, because I know I've been absent for the better part of a couple of years. But there's lots of people making guitar repair content, lots of guitar builders, so that's for sure. Lots of people building everything, putting everything inside of epoxy and building epoxy casters. Hey, all the epoxy casters that get millions of views. That's what I should do. I should put one of these Les Pauls in epoxy and I mean, I'm not making fun. That takes skill. There's skill involved in whatever they're doing, but I think it's become ridiculous. Oh, I've made a guitar out of whatever. Yeah. You mean you put just another thing inside of epoxy. But anyway, I get it. That's cool. Okay, so let's get the hardware over here, because it all has to come off. Dude, can I get this lucky and just pull it out? Oh, I did. Can I pull this one out, do you think? Yes! Look at me, I'm friggin' He-Man. He-Man! Okay. I have to, there's lots of new rules with YouTube, too. YouTube's changed a lot, wow. Okay, I don't think I'm gonna get quite this lucky with these, but give it a rip, see if they'll come up. but I doubt it. I think we're going to need to employ a different tactic. A different tactic to get those out. Although I guess you could just tape them like they did, eh? It's not like they're sticking out or anything. Yeah, I guess that's what I'll do. I'll just put tape on them. Yeah, they're pretty recessed inside of there. That's all they've done. Just put tape on them. Hey, they haven't even taken the rest of the tape off. Anyway, let's continue disassembling this guitar. El guitarra. So, how have y'all been? How's things? How's everything with the kids, the wife, and everybody? It's good, yeah? Everybody's doing good? I'm so glad. I'm glad. Okay, well that's not going back on the guitar, so I don't care. Oh, I didn't see that little sexy little scratch, but that's okay, because that's going away. Okay, that's going to go away. America. Bleep, yeah. Eh? Can't say bad words on YouTube anymore. Bad words not allowed. But that's okay. We can evolve, hey? We can evolve. We can become evolved citizens of the world and not... Oh, it's landed inside there. It is. Wow, we're getting there. We're getting there, kids. We're getting there. It's going well. Things are going well. Let's get the ways to... Oh, are these loose? They are very loose. Oh, these are loose too. Let's see if these are all... Yes! Oh, I am He-Man with my finger strength. Thank you, Gibson, for only installing your hardware finger tight for me. In the early 2010s, when people complained viciously about the quality of your guitars. Okay. I don't know what they were talking about. I don't know what they were talking about, those people complaining about the quality of your guitars. Some people said it had something to do with the current CEO. Who knows? What do I know? Okay. Let's go ahead and get the tuner the rest of the way off. This is a pretty looking piece of wood, that's for sure. Okay, it's mahogany. It's mahog-bog-bogany. What a weird place to join the body. I guess that's what you get when you get cheap guitars, eh? It's not even right through the middle, it's just right there. With this cutesy little maple cap on top. Leftover pieces of wood guitars. Leftover bits of wood guitars. That's what these are. Hey, what do we do with all those leftover bits of wood, boss? Oh, I got a good idea. Let's make a tribute model. Hey, we'll put half the finish on it. It'll sell like hotcakes. I don't know how well these models did. I guess they didn't continue making them. I guess they ran out of bits of wood. Yeah, they used up all the bits, all the leftover bits of wood. Got used up. But I move that. Move that. Make some more room. Okay. Come on. Oh, yeah. Cutesy little... That makes my job nice and easy. I like that. It's got a sexy little board here that I can just whip out. J'aime beaucoup ça. J'aime beaucoup ça. Mon ami. J'aime beaucoup mon ami. There's my little fluff. Yeah. Burst Bucker 2. Burst Bucker 1 and 2. Alright, everybody. Welcome back. This is the first thing I want to do is just get a quick coat on this headstock before it gets any more damaged while I'm moving it around, because this is like this is just a satin finish. There we go. Step 1. Just get a clear coat on the headstock to keep it from getting any more banged up or scratched. Because if I get a couple of coats of clear lacquer on it, if it gets banged up, we can always sand that out and put some more lacquer on it. But they didn't put, I don't think, any finish on these headstocks, I don't think. So yeah, any slight nick or scratch and the logo will disappear and things like that. And that's just not part of my plan. So there we go. I think I'm gonna make that today's video. It's just to get us back in the mood of making YouTube videos, and we'll see y'all on the next step. There we go.